I'm going to show you how to use transitions in CapCut PC. So basically it's pretty easy, just watch on this. So as you can see, I've just added the simple transition, the default, which is free. So how can we use this to increase our videos quality or make it like more interesting? So this is a way how you can do this with yourself. As you can see, I've already created a project, added 2 videos on my timeline. And what if I want to make the transition more like interesting or something like this? The CapCut PC has a lot of different transition. It has its own library. So to open it, in the left top menu right up here, click on transitions, and all of them are in these transitions toggle list. So we can see basic, camera, effect, social media, MG, slide, mask. So the next step you need to do is just to find the necessary transition you want to use. Sometimes it could be undownloaded. So to download it, just click on this arrow near the avatar. So now we can just click and drag and drop it to our part we want to edit. So now it looks something like this. So as you can see, it was pretty simple. We can also change the duration of the transition on our timeline, just clicking on the side and then just move it to the necessary time, or we can just select this transition and change the duration right up here in the settings menu. So now it looks a little bit strange. I think we should make it like shorter. So now it looks like this. So I hope guys this tutorial was helpful. I suggest you to play with it to find interesting transitions which are suitable for your video. For example, this one could be really good. Maybe we'll edit, and now I think it looks normal, not that good. So sometimes all you need is just to put some time in finding necessary transition. For example, I think this one is really good. I hope guys this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I also suggest you to watch my other tutorials about this program in this playlist. Goodbye.